Hi, I want to say a few words about the relationship between religion and science in the 17th century and that has to do with the whole animal question. Some of you may have heard of the Royal Society. The Royal Society was formed in 1660, but as an official organization, but it grew out of efforts in the 1640s of natural philosophers, which is the name that early modern scientists gave to themselves, to to explain the natural world and to explain humans in relation to the natural world. It was during this period that they began to practice in anatomical theaters all over Europe and in buildings all through England, dissection of sometimes living, usually dead creatures, in order to understand how systems worked. The system of circulation, the system of digestion, neurological systems. Um, this was out of this effort, this 40, 50-year effort, became the understanding that mammals as a group, although they were not yet called mammals, but that humans and other animals shared an organic anatomical sameness from bone to brain. Well, this was good news for some people, bad news for others who felt that it threatened the human exceptionalism, that it somehow demeaned human beings to be so much like the other animals. And Descartes was probably one of those people who felt threatened by the anatomical similarity. So he began looking for some alternative basis for human exceptionalism, and he found it in religion. That he argued that humans alone possessed a soul, and how do we know that? We know that because humans are the only ones who practice religion. So in the next section, I'm going to talk a little bit about poetry and this question of religion and ensoulment.